In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the Drip Campaign tool. The Drip Campaign tool allows you to send a series of messages to your contacts over time to build quality engagement or guide them through a sale funnel. Now let us create a drip campaign that sends message to the user immediately the user subscribed to the drip campaign and sends a follow-up message on day 2 and day 3. First, let us create our drip campaign flow. Let us proceed to create our drip campaign. This setup means day 1 flow will be sent immediately after the user subscribes to the drip campaign. Day 2 flow will be sent 1 day after day 1 flow was sent. Day 3 flow will be sent 1 day after day 2 flow was sent. Now let us create a flow where we will subscribe the user to the drip campaign. Here we come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.